Hello, everyone. My name is Ellis Charles Hoffmeister. I am an actor, writer, director, and comedian who has been studying at HB Studio for the last 2.5 years. HB Studio came into my life at a point where I had not been acting in many years. I had been at different acting studios, and while they had their merits, nothing compares to HB Studios. Uh, the teachers there, the faculty, everyone that works at the studio, there's so much love and heart that this studio has, which I found nowhere else. Um, and I highly recommend if you are a artist that is looking to improve their craft, to learn about the professionalism of what this career path and this journey requires. HB Studio is the place for you. The first time I stepped foot into the building, I knew that I had found a home unlike any other. I knew that the pedigree of who had come before really was going to influence the education that I was given and continue to have. I've currently, because of my work at the studio, finished my first play and I'm currently in edits through that and had a first reading. And so much of that was helped by the faculty and the students at HB Studio. As an actor, I've gained the confidence that I needed to work in a professional manner, to be on set, to be in the studio, to take the work incredibly seriously. And I just can't imagine getting that from anywhere else. If you have the money, please consider supporting HB Studio in whatever way possible. I have been a student who has done work study and their different scholarship programs, and I cannot tell you enough how much that has influenced and allowed the ability to continue working on my craft through the programs that they have and through the opportunities they give to their students. I just can't speak highly enough of the studio. Um, I'm thankful to all of the teachers. I'm thankful to all of the students. I'm thankful to all of the people that really push the studio forward and make it the excellent location that it is.